Automechanika Birmingham opens its doors between the 3rd and the 5th of June 2025. With over 550 exhibitors across a range of automotive aftermarket areas, it is the must-attend trade show. But why should you be taking a day out of your business or your work to make the trip to the NEC?
Every single garage owner or mechanic and everyone within the garage industry, whether you work in HR or being a mechanic on the shop floor, everyone needs to be going to Automechanika, and they need to be able to expand and broaden the horizon of what the industry is changing into. And this is where every single one of our staff we're sending them down there. We're making sure that they've got food and water, and they're going to be enjoying the full event as well.
If you don't go to events like this, you're really letting yourself down, in my opinion. It's one of those opportunities that you get once every couple of years, get out of your comfort zone, get to see what's happening in the industry, connecting and talking with other garages, suppliers. It's just a brilliant opportunity. And we actually give our whole team the chance to go. We split up into groups and we go over the 3 days. So
it's a go-to show. Yeah, definitely. Recommend it to any independent garage. Just because there's so many suppliers there, so many different, for example, tools and stuff like that. You'll see something like laser tools there with all the new tools that we haven't seen before. So it's a good chance to see these things and spend some money.
Whilst I appreciate, and whilst we all know that the aftermarket is a very busy trading sector, it is extremely busy. I think what we have to look at is what efficiencies we can drive in our business, how we can raise standards, how we can overall be these better businesses that attract new people, that project ourselves to the consumer in the right way. That leads a little bit into our Right to Repair campaign, where we're looking constantly at how we can raise the level of perception in our market. And I think Automechanika Birmingham is a big opportunity for us there to do that. So yeah, I think garages should give up their time, and that is all what I've just said, in addition to the latest tech, the latest products, the latest insights and innovation that we're going to get from the event.
Exhibitors can also have their say. Why should you be attending Automechanika Birmingham 2025?
I think it's a fantastic opportunity for garages and motor factors really to have a look, see what new products are available, building supplier relationships, and I think there's some show deals there as well. So that there's some live demos, so they can get to see the latest tech and products before they invest. But I think it's going to be a great event.
The pace of change in the automotive aftermarket has never been faster. So whether it's electrification, digitalisation, or shifting customer expectations, events like Automechanika are essential, giving garages the chance to connect, learn, see firsthand the innovations that are going to be shaping their businesses for the years to come, from practical solutions they can implement immediately to strategic insights that prepare them for what's next. It's an unmissable opportunity to stay ahead of the curve and future-proof their operations.
Well, I think it's a great chance to see the latest innovations, get real hands-on with the products, and speak directly to brands like Cataclean who can help support their business.
It is again that thing of that Automechanika is one of the biggest events in the UK aftermarket. It's a great opportunity for garages and technicians to come and meet the people behind the brands and the products that they're dealing with day in, day out. Come and ask questions, give us feedback. Like from a supplier's point of view, shows like Automechanika are vital for getting sort of feedback, seeing if there's anything that we can help improve their experience of dealing with us and our products. So if they can, garages should definitely come and take advantage of that and see how we can help you.
Well, because it's every 2 years, an awful lot has happened in the industry since the last time they came. So I would say to any garage owner or technician, just take that time, take that half day or that day, whatever you're in the market for buying and equipment, you can actually go and see it working. You can go and talk to someone who's a real expert in what they're selling, make sure you get the right thing. And then one of the great things about those exhibitions is you've got 150 other exhibitors you didn't know you wanted to see, but something's going to catch your eye, and you're going to get so much out of the day by those conversations for those things which look interesting. So make the effort.
So make sure you're here at the NEC Birmingham between the 3rd and the 5th of June for Automechanika Birmingham 2025. It promises to be the aftermarket event of the year and a show that you cannot afford to miss.